it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. I finally got in my Ipsy Glambag Ultimate. So this is a little bit different than the regular Glambag. This one is $50 a month, but it has a lot more products in it. And like, I cut the tape on this and the box is trying to explode on me because it is so full of stuff in it. So I'm super excited to open her up. This doesn't tell me the weight. It was gonna tell you the weight, but yeah, I'm super excited to see what's in here. Okay. So this month's theme is Take a Break. And this has a value of over $250. So I'm not sure if it's got, this is the card that came with it, but it doesn't have the products or the pricing, so I'll see if there's something in here, but I'm not sure. So first thing on top is the vacation or nail boarding makeup bag, which just kind of looks like a bag that I already have, so super cute. But it's another makeup bag. I've got plenty of those. Next up after that is the JG Green Tea Eye Gel Patches. That's what they look like. They kind of look like matcha tea, but I love eye patches, so I'm super excited to get these. Next up is the coffee scrub. It's French Vanilla Coffee Scrub. This is from the Original Coffee Scrub, is the brand. They're on Instagram apparently. Let's see. I guess this is just a body scrub. So, awesome. I don't want to open these till I'm ready to use it. Then I got the Belief True Cream Moisture Balm, which this is a sample size, which I'll probably give to Nadia because I have so many other moisturizers to get through, but this is actually a very good moisturizer. I've gotten several samples of this, and it is very good. Next up, so it's a makeup. And this is the Très Sonique Face Visage Color and Contour Cheek Stick. And this is in the shade Brazilian Bronze. That is a fat pencil. So there's a brush on one side, which feels nice and soft. And then the other side is the contour. Actually not a bad shade for me. Let's see how the brush blends that out. Actually, blends it out nicely. Okay, I'm excited to try that. But I was thinking, but the packaging's a little weird. This does remind me of like little kids' school supplies, doesn't it? Maybe I'm just thinking that. But the product feels good, so we'll see how that goes. Next up is the Foxy Bay Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. And I am obsessed with hair masks, so I'm super excited for this because I love buying hair masks. Like, that's why I like to have my hair very nice and soft. But the problem is, to keep it soft, I have to use hair masks a lot because I wash my hair every day, because when I work out, I sweat and I cannot stand dirty hair from being sweaty. So I will always wash my hair every single day. Next up is the Pure Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. So this is a face cleaner. This is another full size. And it looks like this. Let's see if there's, I can't smell it, but the bottle's gorgeous. I love anything that's teal. That always makes me super happy. Next up is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. So, not a bad time to be getting it. I'm almost out of my Too Faced peach powder. And I like to keep a certain number of powders on hand, even though I don't use powder a whole lot. Because it doesn't always do nice things to my eyes. Now I will say that the box is super cute. The packaging is cute, but it does feel really cheap and lightweight. So not a big fan of that. I just want to fill the powder. But, the packaging aside, it is more to do with what the powder feels like than what the packaging feels like. Ooh. I can already tell you it's nice and soft. Okay, so it's very soft. I'm not sure if it's completely translucent. I just swatched it right here on my hand. And I think this is one of those powders, yeah, you can definitely see, that's gonna give you flashback. So, that's a no for me. Let's see. Next up is the LaRousse. I'm not sure what this is. It just says LaRouche, vegan, hypoallergenic, synthetic. This might be, I think this is makeup brushes. Let's open her up so we can see. Oh, yes. More makeup brushes, which I like getting makeup brushes. They're a little stiff, but it's got a good quality amount of brushes to it. The eye brushes feel much better than the face brushes. And there are some little extra hairs on them, but they do feel nice, and I do really like the handles on them. They're rubberized and got some grippies to them. So we'll play with those. Let's see, I also got this, I'm sure this is a deluxe sample of the Delectable Butter Balm Hand Cream. Triple Citrus Blend. I always keep a hand cream on my desk, so that's nice to get. Plus it's super cute patch. It matches everything around here, so that makes me happy. Okay, so I got the Tardis by Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. So this is really neat because it has a felt tip eyeliner on one side and then a pencil eyeliner on the other. I don't use liquid eyeliner. I'm blind in one eye, and just in case you noticed, I don't do wings or anything like that because I can't see to do it. Because you can't close your eye and be able to do a straight line when you can't see out of this eye. So I'll give this to Nadia because she does love doing a wing, and she's always in need of some more eyeliner. Next up is the Awake Glow Peel Super Serum. And Skin Hydrating Vitamin Serum. So, excited to try that. Always like to get new skincare. And then last but not least is an eyeshadow palette and blush palette. If I can get this open because it is shrink wrapped. Ugh. Hey Cameron, come make an appearance on camera and bring me some scissors.
Okay.
Look, I've got some right over here in this cup.
I got them.
Okay, awesome.
Hello.
Some days he likes to be on camera, other days not so much. He really doesn't want to be whenever it's a makeup video. Here, take the scissors back, put them back where they go. Anyways, so let's open her up. So it's the Sakura, I hope I'm probably butchering that, Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. The outside packaging is gorgeous, and this is by Seraphine Botanicals. And let's open her up. That's actually not too bad. Like, the blushes look pretty. Like, I like this shade Dawn. It's definitely a glowy, more apricot-y blush, which I don't have a lot of. And the shade Azalea definitely reminds me of the NARS Orgasm blush. This is the brown shade called Chicory. Definitely not bad. This is Silver. Well, the shimmers, I can already tell you, aren't super great, but the mattes seem okay, because that swatched terribly for a shimmer. But the blushes aren't bad, so I'm excited to play with that a little bit more, see how it actually goes. And then that is all of it. So, tell me what was the favorite item in your box if you get the Ipsy Glam box. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all on Monday. Bye.